Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video of Sketchup Pro. So in this lecture, in a previous lecture, I have just shown you that how we'll use our inference locking tool. Okay, so in this lecture, I'm just going a next step of its modified video. Here I will show you some advanced thing in our inference locking tools. So by using the tools, I have draw that shape within some minute, and I have done that perfectly. So I'll just show that how we'll do it now. Okay, so let's start. And before starting, I'm just requesting you, if you're a civil engineer and also if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then must subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update about fast. So first of all, what I'm doing, I'm just deleting that, right? So now here what I'll do, actually first I will take a shape here to draw our inference. To draw a house by using inference locking. So here I'll take a pen, and from here in red direction I'll just press shift to take any shape actually, and I'll just go in that direction, right, for a little bit like here, and again I'll go in that direction, red direction, then I'll press mouse. So here again I'll go in that direction little bit, then here. So I'll just go here, and I'll just when I'll come, I have shown you that how we'll use that blood red, okay, or blot line by using our line tool. So here I'll just take mouse here, and here our line is ready, then I'll just go again in that direction. Actually, to learn that perfectly, I'll request to please watch our video first, and after that I hope you'll be okay to learn that our videos. So here is the line, red direction line, and I'll just go with respect to that line, and here that is our line, right? So this is our line actually. Okay, so by using that option we'll do our next work, but we can do something. We can use that move option to move that little bit in that direction, and I hope it will show our house. Very good. So when it's done, I'll just go here. Actually this is a simple text, and you know about that option how we'll just use. So okay, it's okay. Now what we'll do, we'll draw a line here in up direction. For that I'll just up line, and here in up direction I'll just simple draw a line, and from here I'll draw here, then from that point to that point I'll draw it, and simply I'll just erase that line, right? So when it's done, now what I'll do, actually I'll just pull that option in that direction with respect to that frame, and actually everything I have just shown you that how we'll use that every option, and that video playlist given in description. So I'll just request you please watch that video, and I hope it will be very good for you. So when it's done, now I'll just go here. Now I'm just using inference locking. So here there's the point in point, and when I'm just moving that line here, I'll just take our mouse here, because I will draw a line with with parallel to that line. So I will just touch that line here, and here I will try to go. Just see here, and both line have generate a same color. After that I will press shift. Now see, sorry. So here I'll just press shift. Now see, at which direction I'm just doing, it's not fact, it will move like that. So what I will do, I'll just again take our mouse here, and I'll just move in that direction with respect to that line. So I'll draw a line with respect to that line. So when I'm here, just see here, a line have created till that point, and now here to here I'll just select. Now see, if I come here, a line have created here perfectly. After that, when it's okay, I'll just go here, I'll just pull it again with respect to what, with respect to that face I'll pull that. Okay, and again I'll just pull that here, and I'll just come here, I'll erase that, and I'll also erase that. So here it's done. Just see how quickly and how nicely we have just created that shape, right? We have created that shape by using inference locking. So this is a good and magical tools for us who work on SketchUp and who know SketchUp software. So when it's done, now I'll just draw a line here to lock that excess part here, and here I'll just draw a line. Just see. So here I have draw a line, and we need a line here, and we need a line here. After that, what I'll do actually, I'll just take that option, okay, move. I'll take that move option and I'll select that line, and after that I will place shift and okay. So just see, when I'll move that in down and top by using shift, okay, by using shift, then it will go like that. Okay, just see here, it will go like that. Okay, so just see. So when it's done, actually Control Z, I'm just escaping. Again I'll select, then I'll shift and I'll go top. So when it's okay, I'll just draw a roof like that. So when it's done, just see, our roof is done. Now I will just attach that point to that point. Okay, actually this is the most important part of our work. So by using inference locking, so simply I'll just select that move tool, and from here I'll select that point, and in that direction I'll just move in that direction. Okay, when that is in on red axis, then I'll just press shift, then see at which direction I'm moving. That's not fact, it will just go in that direction. After that I will just take my that mouse on that face, I mean with respect to that face, I will just create our that movement. So when I'll click left click, just see here, it's have generated, right? They have generated how perfectly. Now again I will move that part. So to before moving that part, I will just draw a line here, so from that point to that point, and when it's okay, now again, right, I will again go use that point, and I will take that point to move, and I don't know how I will just adjust that point. So to do that, I will again simply I will press shift, and it will move that direction, and after that I will just take our mouse in that face. Okay, I mean with respect to that face, I'll draw our top. So here, just see here, it's done, right? In that direction we have done that perfectly. Are you clear? So when it's done, in that side is okay, and now we'll go for that side. We'll go for that side. So I'll just do that. For that side, I'll just draw a line here similarly like that side. So here, and after that I'll just go move tool. So here, and actually how much I want to move. Okay, so here I can move that, it's up to me. So I'm just taking like that point. After that I'll just take a line here. Okay, and by using up arrow of our keyboard, okay, so we can take line by using up arrow, we can take line like that, right? And here I'm just now by pressing shift, okay, by pressing shift we can draw a line with respect to that on, with respect to that on, and with respect to that on. It's up to you actually, with respect to which height you want to draw your line. So actually this is not known as inference locking. So here, okay, so when it's done, when okay, I'm just taking our that side like with respect to that point. So here this is done, then I'll just press escape, and from here to here one line, again that point to that point online, and the middle one I'll just remove it is. So here, and now I'll just move. Okay, so here I'm just doing here, and I'm just moving, and now with respect to that point I'm moving. Just see here, I have done that, And now I will do it like as previous, I mean like our that video. So I'll just do that again. I'll select that option, and when I'm moving that in that direction, then I'll press shift, and see here it will go only in that direction. Okay, and after that I'll take our mouse here and I'll just click here. So see, that is okay, right? The wall, I mean our full structure, that is okay. So in this way actually you can use inference locking, okay, inference locking to use a structure perfectly, right? So thank you, and if you think that was helpful for you, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever fast. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.